Did you know, 90% of people fail to solve this log question? Let's crack a log mystery today. Can you guess what value of a makes this equation true? Stick with me till the end. We'll find it. Our question is log of a base 2 plus log of a base 3 is equal to 5. Our job is to find the value of a. We know that formula log of b base a is equal to log b by log a. Then we can write it as log a by log 2 plus log a by log 3 is equal to 5. Take log a common, then we get as log a into 1 by log 2 plus 1 by log 3 is equal to 5. Now take LCM, then we get as log a into log 3 plus log 2 by log 2 into log 3 is equal to 5. We know that log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So in the numerator log 3 plus log 2 is there, so we can write it as log 3 into 2. Log 3 into 2 is 6, so we can write it as log a into log 6 by log 2 into log 3 is equal to 5. Now we can split this division and write it as log a by log 2 into log 6 by log 3 is equal to 5. Now we know that formula log of b base a is equal to log b by log a. By using this formula we can write it as log of a base 2 into log of 6 base 3 is equal to 5. From this we can write it as log of a base 2 is equal to 5 by log of 6 base 3. From the definition of logarithms, log of x to the base a is equal to b, we can write it as a to the power b is equal to x. Logarithm can be defined as power to which the base number must be raised to get the given number. From this definition we can write it as 2 power 5 by log of 6 to the base 3 is equal to a. By this we can write it as 2 power 5 whole power 1 by log of 6 to the base 3 is equal to a. If we remove this fraction, then these two terms will interchange, that we can write it as log of 3 to the base 6. So we can get it as 32 power log of 3 to the base 6 is equal to a. And that's how you solve what 90% of people couldn't. You're now in the top 10%. Well done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more brain-boosting math videos.